Joe Merkel founded the Merkel Motor Company as a bicycle manufacturer. But by 1903, he had built his own motorcycle. In 1909, Merkel merged with the Light Motor Company and relocated from Milwaukee to Pottstown, Pennsylvania, where they produced motorcycles under the name the Merkel Light Motor Company, which was later shortened to Merkel Light. In 1911, the company was acquired by Miami Cycle and Manufacturing Company of Middletown, Ohio, and the trademark was subsequently changed to Flying Merkel. The Merkel had an innovative spring fork, patented by Joe as a truss fork, the predecessor of the telescopic front fork, which became the choice for racing, where they broke records. It had an automatically dripping oil feeder, an invention that would go on to be copied by larger manufacturers, such as Indian and Harley-Davidson. They developed the monoshock rear suspension system that is still in use to this day. Its iconic status was achieved through this innovation, its bright Merkel orange paint, and its distinctive tank shape, making the motorcycle immediately identifiable. Merkel attracted buyers with its high quality and slogans such as "All roads are smooth to the Flying Merkel," the most powerful motorcycle in the world, and if it passes you, it's a Flying Merkel. It wasn't enough to sustain the Flying Merkel through the onset of war, however, and production ceased in 1917, making this show-quality restored 1911 Flying Merkel twin a relic of history. Dick Shappy, in his time collecting motorcycles, has acquired 15 different Merkels. He regards this 1911 twin as his finest. Purchased from Mike Wolfe of American Pickers in 2006, it then underwent a 7-year meticulous, no-expense-spared original restoration. Wolfe recently shared that it was one of the first motorcycles he acquired in his early days as an American picker, that he considered a high-end acquisition with a high resale value as an original, mostly complete Flying Merkel. As the most complete, correct, and original Merkel, this was used as a reference to aid in future restorations. The 1911 boasts a V-twin engine with a Bosh magneto and an original engine number. It was manufactured in Pottstown, Pennsylvania, while Merkel was going by the name the Merkel Light Motor Company. It features a horn, kickstand, luggage rack, and Troxel Manufacturing Company leather toolbox made in Elyria, Ohio. The headlight reads Mauretania, and the old soul tail light from the Hawthorne Manufacturing Company was made in Bridgeport, Connecticut. The Merkel orange paint dazzles and has graced the lawn of the Newport Concours d'Elegance. Will you be the one to show it next? Visit dsclassics.com to learn more.